We installed this multi-sport court in Brookville, New York. We used navy blue Mateflex tiles for the outer perimeter and a brick red for the pickleball inlay. The court was striped with the white lines for the shuffleboard, the two basketball keys and three-point line. We installed dominators, basketball hoops, adjustable regulation hoops, a multi-sport netting. This netting can be adjusted to pickleball, badminton, and volleyball. We installed out-of-bounds netting all around the court with 3-inch posts, 12-foot high and 12-foot high netting. We also installed the dominator light on one pole with triple lights. This light lights up the court very nicely. This is the latest sports court installation in Brookville, New York.